welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun video planned, and I already did my eyebrows, so that's not going to take time out of our video. But today I do have the entire collection. Today I'm just going to play with Bling. Oh my goodness. Today I'm just going to play with Bling Boss. Now I'm going to continue my fun little vacation series here, and this is going to be a perfect Sea Day Brunch look. So without further ado, we're just going to get right into it. Now we're going to start off with our Loreal Magic Perfecting Base. We're going to dip our beauty sponge into that, and we are just going to blend this all over. Now I will say this is the first time I'm like actually playing with the Vault collection. I did swatch them last night when they got in, but I was like beyond exhausted, so I'm not 100% sure like my actual feelings. The colors though are gorgeous, so there is definitely that. Next we're gonna go in with Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm just gonna take about 2 pumps on my beauty sponge and blend that right into my face. I'm definitely bringing this, I'm bringing this and the Loreal collection on vacation with me. Between the 6 palettes, I will have more than enough to make a look work. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm just going to highlight the face real quick. Now if you notice, I always blend my under eyes last. That's because I want to make sure I have my setting powder ready to go to set my under eyes. I'm going to put a little bit on my actual eyelid, not too much because I am going to use an actual eye primer today. I ordered the Morphe was having like a bundle deal not too long ago with like an eyelid primer, a setting spray, and their sponge. I haven't opened the beauty sponge yet. I'm literally taking that on vacation with me, so I want to not touch it if I can. Now I'm going to go in with my Boots number 7 setting powder, and I'm going to bake my under eyes. And while that's baking, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution HD Powder Contour Kit, and I'm going to take my number 1 BH Cosmetics brush from the Rose Gold collection. I'm going to dip into this shade right here, and I'm just going to contour real quick. Now, if you've ever been on a cruise, a Sea Day Brunch is pretty much what it sounds like. Bring my contour down my neck. A Sea Day Brunch is pretty much what it sounds like. It's a sea day. Like, you're not stopping at any ports, you're just cruising on the ocean, and you go to brunch. Carnival has one, it's like a comedy brunch. There's a few different ones. I'm gonna go in with my 10-piece classic BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna take a Eyeko Tools powder brush, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe eyelid primer. I'm gonna put a little in the back of my hand, and it says it's translucent, but I do want to let you know it comes out like a creamy color. I've never tried this, so we have a few things that we're trying for the first time. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a number 5 brush from BH Cosmetics Rose Gold, and we're gonna go into the shade Hush Hush right here. So I'm gonna put that right on my crease. Okay. It's a nice starter shade. Alright, now we're gonna go into Rockstar. It's a smidge darker, so I'm gonna go in very, very okay, it's not a smidge darker, it's way darker. I'm gonna go very, very light-handed. I'm gonna use the same brush. It is this plummy shade right here. I don't know if it's the primer or the eyeshadow itself. But this is patchy. Like, I know they repressed them. I heard something about possibly reformulating them. I mean, it takes some effort to blend out, unlike her original palette. Her original palette really didn't require that much effort to blend. But they're pretty. They're very pretty colors, I will say. I'm not gonna lie, I am getting a little frustrated because this is taking a lot of blending. It's not consistent. You can see this side is substantially darker than this side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back into that first shade, Hush Hush, and I'm going to see if I can use that. Just darken up this side. Now I don't really want to go into any more mattes because that was a lot. Okay, I'm going to take a flat brush from BH Cosmetics. This is the number 7. I'm gonna go into Ballsy. It's this very shimmery, pinkish, purplish shade right here. And I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. Using that same brush, I'm going to go into the shade Bling Bling, and I'm going to put that on the center. Gem, this bright purple, still using the same number 7 brush, put that on the outer. Go back in with that number 5 brush and just kind of blend. Now I'm going to go in with a pencil brush. I'm going to go into Hush Hush and Sparks. Hush Hush all over my bottom lash line. I'm going to take Sparks, this one right here. and just put it on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with my Eyeko, that's where I draw the line. And I'm just going to line my upper lash line. I'm not going to wing it out. I'm going to go back in with my pencil brush from WTH Cosmetics. I'm going to go into Glitz and Glam, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Now I'm going to go with some L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and just pop that on my upper lashes. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Rose Gold highlighter and a number 4 brush from WTH Cosmetics and just highlight real quick. And then for lips, I'm going in with NYX Lingerie, and this is this shade Ruffle Trim. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Morphe setting spray. Let's talk. I don't know if it's that I've been put the primer on, or if it's just this palette. It doesn't. It might just be this palette. It might be the primer. I'm gonna try it again without the primer. But it doesn't blend well, and I hope all palettes aren't like this, because I know so many people, myself included, were very excited for the fall collection to get released, and judging by Bling Boss, this is not the same formula as her old like fall collection, and the shades are gorgeous. Like Berry Treasure, that's this one. Like, they're gorgeous shades. Like, look at that. So I don't know if it's this particular palette or whatever they did when they delayed the launch. The colors are gorgeous, and we still have 3 other palettes to play with, so don't get discouraged. But Berry Treasure is gorgeous, so don't get discouraged. We still have 3 other palettes to play with. We still have Dark Magic, Ring the Alarm, and Armed and Gorgeous. So we still have those 3, and I will play with Bling Boss without the primer. It might have been the primer, in all seriousness, because do any of you have the palette? Are any of you having trouble blending these shades out? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you so much for joining me today, and be sure to tune in very soon to see the other 3 palettes in action, and let me know what you think. Do you have the palettes? Do you like the palettes? After seeing videos and reading reviews on them, are you gonna get the palettes? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.